You know, I love Berlin. I love Germany.
I really tried not to look at myself in the mirror when I was playing this role. I actually didn't see my own face for days on end because I had to work constantly, you know, all day long wearing the mask.
If I had supernatural powers, I would misbehave horribly. I would probably do terrible things and use it for evil. I work in Hollywood. You should never give anyone in Hollywood superpowers.
Und vergiss bloß nie, dass dein Feind ganz sicher nicht fair kämpfen wird.
Na, das war mal ein guter Rat. Danke, Dicker.
Well, it's a very complex story. I like the fact it goes to another planet. It's one of the few superheroes that sort of leaves Earth, and it's a whole world we had to create. So it combines science fiction with the kind of superhero genre.
It's great to have you here. Welcome to Berlin. Donald, what does it mean to you to show your movie here in Berlin?
It's such an honor to be here in Berlin. It's one of the great, great cities of the world, and we're so excited to be here and very excited to share the movie with you, which we hope you love and enjoy it.
I can speak up for the Berlin nightlife. I've had a few late nights here, so I may owe some of you money. But it is fantastic to be here in your beautiful city, and thank you for hosting us in such a fantastic way. It's been a really warm welcome. It's been incredible.